How can our teaching team benefit from developing an online community of practice? A community of practice is a group of people who share a concern or passion for something they do and learn to do it better as they interact regularly. Why develop a community of practice? Developing a community of practice will help us build a shared knowledge of effective teaching pedagogy to help implement Brisbane Catholic Education's DELT, or Delivering Excellent Learning and Teaching Strategy. We will collaborate to learn together, share what we have learnt, and form a knowledge network. The theory of action that supports active engagement in the DELT strategy is based on Hattie's visual learning and Sherratt and Bullen's putting faces on the data teaching pedagogies. We have begun to develop a shared knowledge of these pedagogies. To maximise the effectiveness, efficiency and appeal of this strategy, the addition of a social online space can act as an intervention to assist in our transition to a more knowledgeable and networked teaching community. Online social spaces are a part of a new culture of learning. The growing digital networked infrastructure of the internet is amplifying our ability to access and use unlimited resources and incredible instruments while connecting with one another at the same time. How will we establish this community of practice? People are naturally social beings who can learn by connecting and collaborating. Doing things together gives us more power than doing things alone. Networked communities of practice are platforms in which conversations and dialogue can occur, allowing for individual learning. Our learning community will develop social media and network literacy through gaining these interconnected skills. Attention, the ability to focus on beneficial information. Participation, by communicating one's own opinions together with other people in a productive manner. Collaboration, or learning together. Network awareness, the understanding of the technical and social aspect of networks. And critical consumption. Being able to interconnect these skills is the key to network or social media literacy. We will aim to create a participatory culture. A participatory culture is where there is strong support for creating and sharing our creations, a type of informal mentorship where knowledge is passed from the most experienced to novices. Members will believe that their contributions matter, and members will feel a degree of social connection. The participants' attitude in a community of practice is important too. Attitude has influence on intention. Deliberate intentions to approach one's professional life and learning in a networked way will lead to the building, maintaining and activation of their contacts. What will happen to develop our community of practice? A space has been set up on our school's Moodle site. The access is restricted to our school staff. Anyone in the school teaching team can share resources for our community of practice to engage in. We will use digital social learning tools like discussion forums, wikis and blogs to learn collaboratively. The resources in these tools could be professional readings, images, infographics, videos and links to websites. When you add a resource or response, be sure to add value by adding or comparing to another idea or resource, or sharing a reflection or experience. This online learning space will be part of a blended learning solution that will include face-to-face meetings, individual reflection time, and shared professional practice groups to meet all of our learners' needs. Our face-to-face time will be increasingly supported and strengthened by these web-based technologies. Where to in the future? You can connect with knowledge networks out of the school environment through social media. Two great suggestions to begin with are Twitter and LinkedIn. Or find a blog that reflects your interests to follow and comment on.